new hybrid SUVs that seek consideration with wagon bodies and all-wheel drive. Think about what the new Altima has in this, its sixth era? You got it, all-wheel drive. It likewise has a fresh new look. Nissan has cut out greater identity for the 2019 Altima. Exactly when you thought its V-molded grille couldn't go substantially more profound, it has. It takes up a greater amount of the space on a front end that plunges bring down in front of an all the more steeply slanted hood. The Altima's roofline has more starch in its wrinkles this time, as well. Inside, the dash drops for a more open, sleeker look. Nissan's executed the same visual trap that functions admirably on some passage extravagance vehicles. It gives the focal touchscreen a chance to stand pleased on the dash, which diminishes the weight and size of whatever remains of the inside. The 2019 Altima's running rigging has advanced in a way that definitely will mix in with a related hybrid SUV. For the time being in any event, Nissan drops the Altimas from time to time chose V6. The base 2.5-liter inline 4 hands over 188 drive and 180 pound-feet of torque. Nissan says it's calmer and smoother, and turns in better efficiency, which hasn't been reported. It's coupled to a persistently factor transmission, CVT, and can be combined with paddle move controls. It's likewise the main Altima to offer discretionary all-wheel drive, here a basic framework with the capacity to part control between the front and back wheels. Rather than a V6, Nissan offers Spendy Altima purchasers another turbo 4-motor seen first in the Infiniti QX50 Hybrid.